यहुन्तः प्रविश्यामवाचं मां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना ज्ञांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं यं गुरुं हि स्वयं सत्यः प्रज्ञा भक्तिविनीतयः दीप्तिश्चाभिवृता नित्यं तं गुरुं प्रणमाम्यहम् सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Verse 92. नो देहो नेन्द्रियाणि क्षरमति च बलं नो मनो नैव बुद्धिः प्राणो नैवाहमस्मीत्यखिलजडमिदं वस्तु जातं कथं स्यात् नाहंकारो न दाराः गृहसुखसुजनक्षेत्रवित्तादिदूरम् साक्षी चित्प्रत्यगात्मा निखिलजगदधिष्ठानभूतः शिवोऽहम् दृश्यं यद्रूपमेतत् भवति च विशदं नीलपीताद्यनेकम् सर्वस्यैतस्य दृग्वै स्फुरदनुभवतः लोचनं चैकरूपम् तदृश्यं मानसं दृक् परिणतविषयाकारधीवृत्तयोऽपि दृश्या दृग्रूप एव प्रभुरिह स तथा दृश्यते नैव साक्षी रज्ज्वज्ञानाद्भुजङ्गः तदुपरि सहसा भाति मन्दान्धकारे स्वात्मा ज्ञानात् तथासौ दृशमसुखमभूत् आत्मनो जीवभावः आप्तोक्त्या हि भ्रमान्ते स च खलु विदिता रज्जुरेका तथाहम् कूटस्थो नैव जीवः निजगुरुवचसा साक्षिभूतः शिवोऽहम् किञ्ज्योतिस्ते वदस्वाहनिरविरिह मे चन्द्रदीपादिरात्रौ स्यादेवं भानुदीपादिकपरिकलने किं तव ज्योतिरस्ति चक्षुस्तन्मीलने किं भवति च सुतरां धीर्धियः किं प्रकाशे तत्रैवाहं ततस्त्वं तदसि परमकं ज्योतिरस्मि प्रभोऽहम् कञ्चित्कालं स्थितः कौ पुनरिह भजते नैव देहादिसंहम् यावत् प्रारब्धभोगम् कथमपि स सुखं चेष्टते सङ्गबुद्ध्या निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यतृप्तः विगलितममताहङ्कृतिर्नित्यतृप्तः ब्रह्मानन्दस्वरूपः स्थिरमतिरचलः निर्गता शेषमोहः। So the verse 96 which we just chanted, Nirgata Shesha Mohaha. cheshtati. So nirgata ashesha mohaha cheshtati. So the verse that we are going to read primarily sort of elaborates on the kind of moha which is a bit difficult to drop. Ashesha mohaha. Ashesha mohaha means moha of all types. So various kinds of mohas will be there in the initial stages, and as you mature, grow in life, so we will drop those mohas one by one. So to fire crackers there may be some moha, right? To have a specific kind of biscuit there may be some moha. So all kinds of mohas I myself have seen, right? So when you are school boy, with the next house fellow, so he gets crackers for 40 rupees. My father will get only for 20 rupees. Ha ha ha, so I am not able to. So those kinds of things will also be there. These are all mohas which we just get rid of very easily. But one kind of moha which is extremely difficult to get rid of, so is what is being highlighted in the next verse. जीवात्म ब्रह्म भेदम See, there are two readings here. One is Jivatma Brahma Bhedam, the other is Jiva Brahmatma Bhedam. I would prefer Jiva Brahmatma Bhedam. So I will tell you why a little later. जीव ब्रह्मात्म भेदम दलयति सहसा यत्प्रकाशैकरूपं विज्ञानं तच्च बुद्धौ समुदितमतुलं यस्य पुंसः पवित्रं मायातेनैव तस्य क्षयमुपगमिता संसृतेः कारणं या नष्टा सा कार्यकर्त्री पुनरपि भविता नैव विज्ञानमात्रात् The moha which is extremely difficult to get rid of is one of this ahanta that we have in the dehadi sanghata. So the ahanta that we have in the dehadi sanghata and the mamata that we have in other things which are around us. This bheda generally means difference. Bheda is difference. This bheda jnana is to be gotten rid of. Bheda jnana among what? Dalayati. Dalayati means severs, chops off. So this Bheda Jnana itself is a kind of a moha. Okay? It's an illusion that we need to get rid of. So that is what is the essence of Advaita Vedanta. So here he is saying, Jiva Brahmatma Bhedam Dalayati Sahasa Yat Prakashaika Rupam Vijnanam Tacha Buddhau Samudita Matulam Yasya Pumsaf Pavitram. So Dalayati is a Kriyapadam. Yasya Pumsaha. Yasya Pumsaha means for whichever person, the individual for whom Yasya Pumsaha. So that is how we have to start. Yasya Pumsaha Atulam Pavitram Vijnanam. Atulam Pavitram Vijnanam. So Atulam, Pavitram, etc. are qualifiers for this kind of a knowledge. And we have one more adjective, Prakashaika Rupam Vijnanam. Prakashaika Rupam Vijnanam. Can there be Vijnana which is Aprakasha Rupa? So this is one question that you may ask. Yes. So in Upanishads themselves, we find several mantras which will try to make a distinction between this ultimate jnana and the other kind of jnanas. In fact, even Rigvedadi is described as aparam jnana. Dve vidye veditavye itihasmayad brahmavido vadanti parachaiva aparacha tatra apara Rigvedo, Yajurveda, Samavedo, Sarvaveda, Siksha, Kalpo, Vyakaranam, all that is listed there. And of course, whatever you want to call today, okay, so Java, Python, etc. So all of them is all Vijnana only. But they will be classed under Apara Vijnana. But this Apara Vijnana need not necessarily lead us to the right path. Okay, so the ultimate Jnana, which will completely liberate you, is not something which is expected out of it. Okay, so now therefore we should just Prakashaika Rupam means so that which will only lead you to this Atma Jnana, that kind of Vijnana. Okay, Aham Brahmasmi. Okay. So that is the Jnana. Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. That Jnana. So that is described as Prakashaika Rupam. The other thing may lead you to that, but need not necessarily lead you. Okay? So Eka means only towards that. Prakashaika Rupam Yad Vijnanam Tacha Buddhau Samuditam. That Jnana. Okay? This Aham Brahmasmi iti Jnanam. Tad Jnanam Buddhau Samuditam. Where else it will come? Jnana coming into Buddhi means. So we should not understand that. So Buddhau should be understood as something which gets firmly lodged into the mind. Okay? Buddhihi. Buddhihi here means, so Buddhihi means Sthiram Jnana. Okay? So that is how you even, so Chanchalatmakam Manaha, Nishchalatmika Buddhi. Okay? So Buddhau Samuditam, so means, so it gets firmly established in his mind and there is absolutely no samshaya. Okay? So no other jnana can shake this. Okay? Buddhau Samuditam. Okay? The other way you can understand is Anubhavarudham Jata. See, it may be firmly understood, but it need not necessarily issue out into action. So for him, so it has got firmly established and also issues out into action. For him, what happens? Buddhau Samuditam. So this is Atulam because it will relieve you of all shokas. Okay. So buddhau samudidam. What does it do? Sahasa jiva brahmatma bhedam dalayati. So sahasa. Sahasa ityuक्ते
instantly.
Sahasa. Sahasa. So sahasa has 2-3 meanings. When you say sahasa vidadhi tanakriyam avivekah paramapadam padam. So there sahasa means so without thinking. So vivekena vina, vivechanena vina, vidadhi tanakriyam. Okay? So without considering the consequences, you don't get into. Ityasmin arthe sahasa. Sahasa, see, can also mean akasmat, so atarkita rupena. So whatever comes, so in an unexpected manner, there also you use the word sahasa. Sahasa is also used to refer to something which is done forcibly, which cannot be stopped. So it is used in that sense here. Okay. Sahasa jiva brahmatma bhedam dalayati. Okay. So it just forcefully makes him drop the bheda buddhi. Okay. Jiva brahmatma bhedam etadasham jnanam dalayati. Okay. So jiva brahmatma bhedam. So why does he use that? Jiva brahmatma bhedam. Bheda, in fact, one can understand it this way. So if you want to divide things in the universe, you can put into 2 baskets. I, not I. Right? I, not I. Not I, everything comes. So I, something else comes. Iti bheda. I am not this microphone. I am not this paper. This all other things, I. So this sharira avachinna, so that we conceive as I. Okay? So I am not this sharira, that is a little difficult now. So let us leave it for the moment. So this is one way of dividing. So this jagat aham drashta, drishyam drashta. So this is how we can divide. So this is one kind of a bheda, right? So drishya drashta. So this is one kind of a bheda. Now what we talk of here is, so whatever is drishya, so we cannot conceive them to be satisfying the description which we find in the Shrutis, which talk of Ananta, Anitya. So Nitya is something, Anitya is something. Now Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swabhavaha, so all that we are saying. So that entity which is not limited by time, not limited by space. So that is not something which is seen by us. Okay. So this Brahman is another category. Suppose you say, so I am the observer. So the entire Jagat is something which is observed by me. And Brahman you take separately now, which is described in Shrutis. Okay. So Brahman which is described in Shrutis. So this is another entity which is described, which I am not able to relate myself. Okay. So as of now, I am not able to relate. But what this Vedanta tells is, you are not different from that. So this Bheda Buddhi which I have, okay. So Bheda Buddhi that I have with reference to myself as Parichinna and with reference to Brahman which is Aparichinna, this Bheda is gone. This is all he is saying. Now, Jiva Brahma Bheda is what is eradicated by this. Okay, so this Parichinnaha Jivaha अपरिच्छिन्नं ब्रह्म देशतः कालतः वस्तुतः अपरिच्छिन्नं यद् ब्रह्म तस्माद् अहं भिन्नः. This is the jnana that I have, so that this bheda buddhi is knocked off. Okay, aham brahmasmi, this aham which is conceived as parichinna is identified with this aparichinna. Okay, so this bheda buddhi, jiva brahma bhedaha, jiva brahma bhedam dalayati, you can say. Now this atma comes as another word here. So jiva brahma bheda you can understand, but atma bheda is also you can understand. So you are not different, can I say? So whenever I say you, okay, so you are also an atma, I am also an atma. So jivayoho paraspara bheda. Okay, so when you take atma bhedam api, so there are various people who say that the jivan may be one as Brahman, but there are various jivas. Okay, jivas are different from is one view. So there are various kinds of schools. Okay, so parasparam jiva bhedam api. So if you take this way, jiva brahmatma bhedaha, if you say atmanoho paraspara bhedam, so jiva brahmanoho bhedam bhayam dalayati. Okay, jiva brahmatma bhedam. In fact, we will see a little more about this little later in the next verse. Jiva brahmatma bhedam dalayati, sahasa dalayati. This jnana, once it arises, even if you do not want, it will knock off, severe. Okay, so that is what he said. Jiva brahmatma bhedam dalayati sahasa yad prakashaika rupam yad vijnanam prakashaika rupam yad vijnanam atulam yad vijnanam pavitram. So that is how tacha buddhau samuditam atulam yasya pumsah pavitram. Further he says, Maya teneva tasya kshayamupagamita samsate karanam ya nashta sa karyakartri punarapi bhavita naiva vijnanamatrat. So once this jnana gets firmly established and this is gone, then he says, samsritehe karanam ya. It is only this bheda buddhi which is responsible for all the samsriti. Samsritihi means sukha dukkha anubhavaha. Okay, janma marana chakra praptihi. Samsritehe karanam ya tasya maya. See, tasya means tasya purushasya. So we have to understand here, this maya should be taken as avidya. Okay, so maya should be taken as avidya of that person. That is why he is using the word tasya. Okay. So samsritehe karanam ya tasya maya. What happens? Teniva kshayamupagamita. Tena itukto kena? Tena vijnanena. Okay. So yad vijnanam prakashaika rupam yad vijnanam teniva kshayamupagamita. Kshayamupagamita means so that has been completely finished. And sometimes, so when you do, see, if you go and if you do not like some tree, so you may just cut it. Okay, so but then it will crop up once again. Okay, so as long as the root is there. Similarly, this kshayamupagamita, some of these I have seen. So in this rainy season, once it is over, so whatever was there in those places, they will once again spring up. Okay, so they will be there for some time, then once again they will go down. So there are various things like this. So seasonally they will just come up. Okay, After rainy season something will come, before rainy season something will come. So they have their own times. So it's not like that. So this Kshayamupagamita, so that he is saying, Nashtasa Punarapi Naiva Bhavita. So this Jiva Brahmatma Bhedaha. Okay. So this jnana, which may be momentarily vanishing for us, when we read this, when we try to analyze, etc., will once again crop up. But once it is gone, buddhau samudita, firmly when it is established, so then nashtasa karyakartri. Karyakartri means, so that is what essentially produces the multiplicity here. Okay, karyakartri, this karya means, so this bheda buddhi and all ahanta mamata, whatever you want to say, so it's all karya. Okay, it is an effect of this, it is an effect of this ajnana. See, nashtasa karyakartri. Karyakartri means prapanchasya utpadayitri, samsarasya utpadayitri. Okay, sa karyakartri. Sa karyakartri. It is essentially the avidya which manifests itself in various forms. Kama, krodha, lobha, moha, whatever you want to say, is all essentially because of Nashtasa karyakartri punarapi bhavita naiva. Why? Why will it not come again? So there he is giving the hetu. Vijnana matrat. So vijnana matrat nashta. So what we have to understand is, if you do physically something, then see, if you, so this is what happens, you see. So in IIT, so nowadays because everything is online, so we have to conduct exam online. So how do you make it foolproof, so that somebody does not copy? So you just try to monitor. So you say you don't use one device, you use two devices. So there is once again find some other way. So if you try to find, arrest some way, so it tries to move some other way. But as far as this jnana, once something is gone out of jnana, see, if this fellow himself takes a decision that I have to be honest, I cannot be dishonest, then nobody needs to monitor. So vijnana matrat, if it arises forcefully, nothing will happen. So that is what is very important. So vijnana matrat samudita. Come what may, I will not be dishonest. So once you take that, so that kind of a firm conviction in something, so once it arises, then this avidya cannot play any role. Vijnana matrat samudita nashtasa karyakartri punarapi bhavita naiva bhavita. Read. ब्रह्मात्मभेदं दलयति सहसा यत्प्रकाशैकरूपम् विज्ञानं तच्च बुद्धौ समुदितमतुलं यस्य पुंसः पवित्रम् मायाविनीव्रतस्य क्षयमुपगमिता संसृतेः कारणं या नष्टा सा कार्यकर्त्री पुनरपि भविता नैव विज्ञानमात्रात्. विश्वं नेति प्रमाणात्
विश्वं नेति प्रमाणात् विश्वं नेति प्रमाणात्
विगलितजगदाकारभानस्त्यजेद्वै 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 पीत्वा यद्वत् फलाम्भः पीत्वा यद्वत्फलाम्भः पीत्वा यद्वत्फलाम्भः त्यजति च सुतराम् त्यजति च सुतराम् त्यजति च सुतराम् तत्फलं सौरभाढ्यम् तत्फलं सौरभाढ्यम् तत्फलं सौरभाढ्यम् सम्यक् सच्चिद्घनैकामृतसुखकबला स्वादपूर्णो हृदासौ
सम्यक् सच्चिद्घनैकामृतसुखकबला स्वादपूर्णो हृदासौ
सम्यक् सच्चिद्घनैकामृतसुखकबला स्वादपूर्णो हृदासौ ज्ञात्वा निस्सारमेवम्
ज्ञात्वा निस्सारमेवम् ज्ञात्वा निस्सारमेवम्
जगदखिलमिदम्
जगदखिलमिदम्
स्वप्रभः शान्तचित्तः स्वप्रभः शान्तचित्तः स्वप्रभः शान्तचित्तः. So this verse also seems to be presenting the same thing, but there is a certain distinction between what he said there and what he said here. Vishvam neti pramanat. Vishvam neti pramanat. In the previous verse, what was said was Jiva Brahmatma Bhedam Dalayati. Jiva Brahmatma Bhedam Dalayati. Now what he is saying is Vishwam Neti. So Vishwam, by the word Vishwam, normally we understand Jagat. Okay? Vishwam Vishnuhu. Vishwam Vishnu Ravashatkaraha. So Vishwasmai Namaha, Vishnave Namaha. So Vishwam Vishnuhu. So Jagat Vishnu. Jagadeva Vishnu. In fact, so Vishwam Vishnuhu is the message. So there Vishwam Vishnuhu, Vishwasmai Namaha means, so Sarva Vyapine Namaha. See, Sarvasmai Namaha. Vishwa Shabdaha, Sarva Vachakaha. Huh? Trairashikeeniva yadeta duktam. Vyaptam samastam harineva vishwam. So in see, so this is a very interesting thing. So he is just reminding me. So in Bhaskara Lilavati, he just says, Trairashikeeniva yadeta duktam. Yadeta duktam. Yadeta duktam means some mathematical operation which I was describing. Trairashikena with the rule of 3. Trairashikeeniva yadeta duktam. Vyaptam samastam harineva vishwam. So he is using this simile. Yatha harina samastam vishwam vyaptam. Vyaptam samastam harineva vishwam. So the ultimate philosophy he is using to explain a mathematical principle. Anyway, so that is, so here he says Vishwam neti pramanat. What do we understand? Vishwam neti. In fact, in this Dakshinamurti Ashtakam, we have Vishwam pashyati karyakaranataya swaswami sambandhataha sishyacharyataya tathaiva pitriputra dhyatmana bhedataha. So earlier, So he was saying Jiva Brahmatma Bhedam Dalayati. So this Dalanam is what is intended. So what do we see? What kind of Bheda do we see? So that is beautifully explained in that. See, Vishwam Darpana, Vishwam Pashyati Karya Karanataya. You understand? So this Avidya is the Karya Kartri. So because of that, Karya Karanataya, Vishwam Pashyati Karya Karanataya, Swaswami Sambandhataha. There are varieties of this. Swaswami Sambandhataha, Sishyacharyataya, Tathaiva Pitruputradhyatmana Bhedataha. Swam Swami Putraha Pita. All these are, I was tell you, Atma Bheda. So you consider him as Jivatma, I am also another Atma. He is Pita for me, he is Putra for me. So this is one kind of division. He is Swami for me. Okay? So I am his Dasa. I am Swami for him. So Swami Sambandhataha. The other way of seeing is the Mamatva. Aham Swami. Idam Mamaswam. You understand? So Swami means you need not consider human beings. So I am Swami of, so whatever is this house, I am Swami. I am Swami for this car. So Swami Sambandhataha Sishyacharyataya Tathaiva Pitriputra Dhyatmana Bhedataha. That Bheda will be gone, knocked off. After that, Swapne Jagrati va Yesha Purusho Maya Paribhramita. So now you forget all that. So you don't connect with others. So within one's own experiences, Swapne Jagrati va Yesha Purushaha. So during Swapna Avastha you are different, during Jagrata Avastha you are different. So the same person. So all this Bheda gone. Now, what is he saying? Vishwam Neti. What does it mean? Vishwam Neti Pramanat. In fact, we can think of the Vedas with three entities you can think of, covering the whole world. And with these three entities, you can conceive of 5 Vedas. So I'll tell you. So that is the kind of distinction which we can conceive of here. So suppose you take Brahma, Jagat, Jivaha. Jivaha, I am Atma. Okay? Brahma, Jagat, Jivaha. Suppose you take. Now, what was stated there was Jiva Brahmanoho Bhedaha, Jivayoho Parasparam Bhedaha. But Jagat was not included there. So now come here, Vishwam. This Paridrishyamanam Jagat, Jadam Jagat, you just take. So this microphone, this computer, this laptop, all that. So whatever, Jagat. Now between Jagat and Brahma, you can conceive of a Bheda. Between Jiva and Brahma, you can conceive of a Bheda. Between Jagat and Jiva, you can conceive of a Bheda. But you can also think of other Bhedas between Jagat and Jagat, between Jiva and Jiva. Understand? These are the 5 Bhedas which one can think of. So this table is not this microphone. So that way, no other 2 entities are identical. So no 2 human beings are identical. No 2 DNAs are identical. So here, so this Bheda, okay. So here what he's trying to say is Vishwam Neti Pramanat. Pramanat Vishwam Neti. So Pramanat Vishwam Neti. So here we don't think of a state where we can declare Vishwam Na. How can you tell? But through Pramana, But Vishwam Na, you have to understand very carefully. So we are not talking of negation in that sense. But we are trying to negate the Vishwatvam in Vishwa. So what we have to understand is, this is the most important thing. This, when I say Vishwatvam, the Sarvatvam is negated, Sarvam Brahmamayam. So you say that all are Brahman. You don't say that all is negated, that allness in all is negated. So all are conceived as Brahman. That is why even this, we had this beautiful song, no? Sadashiva Brahmendra, Sarvam Brahmamayam. Kim Vachaniyam, Kim Avachaniyam, Kim Pathaniyam, Kim Apathaniyam, Sarvam Brahmamayam. Kim Bodhavyam, Kim Abodhavyam, Kim Bhoktavyam, Kim Abhoktavyam, Sarvam Brahmamayam. You understand? So what is there? So Sarvam Brahmamayam. So when from the viewpoint of Brahman, Sarvam is gone. Okay? Vishwam Neti. That is why when he uses the word Pramanat, what is the Pramana here? The Pramana is Shruti. Nehananasti Kinchana. That is the Shruti, is the Pramana. Iha Nana Nasti. Okay? So we are not saying Nasti, in which case we will end up with Shunyavada. Okay? So we are saying Nana Nasti. Sarvam Brahmamayam. Ahova Adityo Brahma, Brahmaiva Aham. So that is what we are saying. Okay? So this Vishwam Neti means, this Vishwam means the Sarvatvam. So that they are different. Various things are different. That Neti. Okay? Vishwam Neti Pramanat. Pramanat here means Shruti Pramanat. Okay? So this Bheda is something which is evident to us. So what Shruti has to tell you is only a Bheda, which you do not understand. Okay? So Vishwam Neti Pramanat Vigalita Jagadakara Bhanaha. So it's a beautiful phrase. As a consequence of this, so this Pramana, you understand what is being stated in this Shruti with the buddhi that it is a Pramana for me. So then, through that Pramana, so a Prama arises in you. And that Prama eradicates the other Jnana. Okay? So, other Jnana is gone and Jagat is gone. You only see Brahman. Sarvam Brahmamayam. Okay? That is what is being stated as Vigalita Jagadakara Bhanaha. Jagadakara Bhanaha. Kimapi na bhati iti na. Jagat na bhati. Brahmaiva bhati. Okay? Vigalita Jagadakara Bhanaha. So Nanatvam is gone. Vigalita Jagada. Vigalitam. Vigalitam means Visheshena Galitam. Okay? Galitam means Skhalitam. So, in fact, we have this word, no? Galanti Shambho Tvacharita Saritaha. Shivananda Lahari. Galanti Shambho Tvacharita Saritaha. They get just washed away. Washed away now. Tvacharita Saritaha. Galanti Shambho Tvacharita Saritaha. Dalanti Dhikulya Saranishu Patanti Vijayatam. Beautiful. Vigalita Jagadakara Bhanaha. So this Jagadakriti has been washed away by this. Vigalita Jagadakara Bhanaha. So this person, Vigalita Jagadakara Bhanaha. This Tejedvai we have to take last. Okay. Now he is giving a beautiful simile. In fact, I could have started with this simile. Tejet. So here we have a Kriyapada, Tejati. Tejati means drops. Okay. So this Nanatvam Tejati. So there he gives a nice example. The example is Phalambhaha Pitva. Phalambhaha means so some mangoes. They will be very, very special mangoes. If you go to Hyderabad sometimes, when I go to Veda Bhavana, so they will give you some mango. So you have to just extract the juice. Okay. So that the juice you have to just open somewhere and then extract the juice. That is what is called phalambha. You can either suck it or you just while eating we just put it in the plantain leaf. So and then we eat like payasam. So this phalambha. Yadvat phalambha. So if you go to Delhi, what they will do is, so they will have a hand thing, okay. So Musambi they will put one by one, and juice will come on one side, the other thing will get thrown on the other side, okay. That is what he is saying. Phalambha has been extracted, and you have enjoyed that phalambha. So will you worry about what has been discarded? So that's what he is saying. Pitva yadvat phalambhaha. Phalambhaha pitva tat phalam saurabhadhyam sutaram tejati. Okay. Tat phalam saurabhadhyam. So even in the extract which goes out, you will have nice flavor. Saurabha means nice flavor. See, one thing which I have seen, if you go to some other place, some other countries, somehow the flavor that you have in mango, you don't get there. You will get some big size mango, but there will be no flavor. Color may be there, size may be there, but absolutely no flavor. So similarly, saurabhadhyam means something which is so really attractive, that flavor. Saurabhena adhyam saurabhadhyam tatphalam. Tatphalam means the same phala from which the juice was extracted is discarded now. Okay. Yasmat ambhaha nishkasitaha tadeva gone. Tatphalam saurabhadhyam sutaram tej. This fellow completely drops. Okay. Saurabhadhyam cha tatphalam tej sutaram tejati. So this fellow drops. So as he does, so too. See, this is a very, very important thing. So here he says Vishwam neti pramanat vigalita jagadakara bhana. So why is he giving this? The same Shrutis etc. which gave you this jnana, so even they will be irrelevant to you. Understand? At a later stage, from which you got this jnana, once you have consumed it, the Shruti itself is gone. Correct, very good. Yatra Veda Veda Bhavanti. Okay. So that is what is indicated here. So that is the intent with which he gives this. See, Tat Phalam. न शास्ता न शास्त्रम न शिष्यो न शिक्षा न चत्वम न चाहम न चायम प्रपंचः स्वरूपावबोधो विकल्पा सहिष्णुस्तदेको वसिष्ठः शिवः केवलोऽहम्. So that is the kind of thing he is indicating here. Pitva yadvat phalambhaha tejati cha sutaram tatphalam saurabhadhyam. Then samyak satchit ghanika sukha kavala swadapurno hridasau nyatva nissaramevam jagadakhilamidam svaprabhashanta chittaha. So this Vishwamneti Pramanat, the one who has understood, Saha Swaprabhaha. Swaprabhaha means so Atma Prabhaha. So he always dwells in the light of this Atman. Okay, so dwells in the light of this Atman, as various yogis have sung. Okay, Swaprabhaha. Swaprabhaha, then there is a big phrase there in the third quarter. Samyak Satchit Ghanika Mrita Sukha Kabala Swada Purnaha. One big compound. Samyak Satchit Ghanika Mrita Sukha Kabala Swada Purnaha. Satchit Ghanika Mrita Kabala. So Kabala, Kabala, both are used to refer to a handful of something. Okay. A handful of something is what is called Kabbalah. So Kabbalah, see, Kabbalah Swada Purnaha. See, Amrita Kabbalah, Sukha Kabbalah, Swada Purnaha. See, when you are really happy, so you don't even feel like eating. Okay. So only when you are unhappy. And particularly when people get little disturbed, so thoda chai ke liye jayenge. So you just have to go somewhere. So this asana pipasya also will be gone. So that is how yogis are. So they dwell in this Atmananda. So that is what he is describing. Sukha Kabala Swada Purnaha. So we can only eat some poha, some laddu, this, that as a Kabbalah, not Sukha as Kabbalah. Okay. So he is continuously having Sukha Kabbalah. Sukha Kabbalah Swada Purnaha. Sukha Kabbalah Swada Purnaha. And what is that? Satchit Ghanika Amrita. So this is Amrita. Amrita, you can take it as either as a simile like a nectar or something which will be perennial. Understand? So there is no end to that. Okay. Amrita Kabala, Amrita Sukha Kabala Swada Purnaha Satchit Ghanika Amrita. So this is Satchit Ghana. So this is the description of this Atman. Okay, Sat Swarupam, Chit Swarupam, Ananda Rupa. And Samyak, see Samyak Jnanena Yatat Sarvam Siddham. Okay, firmly established. So he is just enjoying thoroughly enjoying. Aswada Purnaha Hrida. Asau, this person. Okay, so this person. Nissaramevam Jnatva Nissaramevam. Jnatva Nissaram means all these experiences are Nissara. They don't have real lessons. Okay, whatever is in this samsara is only Nissara. In fact, there is a beautiful question. See, in Prashnottar Ratna Malika, so he asked this question: Ko Guruhu Adhigata Tattvaha Shishya Hitaya Udyata Satadam. All that after saying, he said, Kim Samsare Saram. Okay. Kim Samsare Saram is the question. The answer Bhagavad Pada gives: Bahushopi Vichintyamana Midameva. Bahusho Vichintyamanam. You keep on thinking what is Sara, what is Sara, what is Sara. You will end up with what is Sara. Okay. Bahusho Vichintyamanam Idameva. Nissaram. Okay. Nissaram. In fact, there is a beautiful thing. So there is a work called Anatmashri Vigarhana. Okay. In that he says, Labdha Vidya Rajamanya Tatah Kim Prapta Sampat Prabhavadhya Tatah Kim. लब्धा विद्या राजमान्या ततः किं प्राप्ता संपत् प्रभावाढ्या ततः किं लब्धा भुक्ता नारी सुंदरांगी ततः किं येन स्वात्मा नैव साक्षात्कृतो भूत् लब्धा विद्या I have attained this degree, I have done this postdoctoral in Purdue, I have done in Chicago University. So what? Rajamanya. So if you come back to India, so IITs may absorb you. So what? Labdha vidya Rajamanya tatah kim prapta sampat prabhavadhya tatah kim. I have acquired so much of wealth. I have a house in Switzerland. I have one here. I have one in Hawaii. So what? Prapta sampat prabhavadhya means prabhubhihi. Even those wealthy people, they will have. Prabhavadhya tatah kim bhukta nari sundarangi tatah kim. So what? Yena svatma naiva sakshat krito bhuti. In fact, there is an interesting saying in Tamil. Okay. So when you get decent, of course, nowadays various things happen even before marriage. But they used to say this after marriage. Okay. Moham 3 masam, Asai 6 masam. Okay. So you'll have moha for 3 months and desire for something for 6 months. After that, what? Bhuktaha nari sundarangi tadakim. Sometimes they will reduce it and then say, moham 3 naal only for 3 days. Okay. So anyway, Bhukta nari sundarangi tatakim yena swatma naiva. If swatma sakshatkara is there, then this ananda avirbhava is perennial. That is what he is indicating. Amrita sukha kabala swada purnaha. When this is not available, you want to seek elsewhere. Amrita sukha kabala swada purnaha hridasau nyatva nissaram. Evam nissaram nyatva, this person tejedvai. So that is where you have to go and end. Okay. Jagadakhilam idam tejedvai. Okay. So he will not be after various things which are perishable in nature. Okay. So this imperishable sukha which emerges from within is something which is experienced by him all the time. Okay. So this is something, in fact, which can be, in fact, so there was some very interesting question was asked. So at the end of last class, somebody was asking, how do I leave raga dvesha? So raga, I have raga for everything. How do I leave? How do I leave? Nissaram nyatva. So you have to analyze. So if you understand that this is nissara, otherwise there is no other way. So it is only this jnana which will enable you. So no other force can enable you. So that is why he is saying nissaram nyatva. Clearly understanding that this is. So then you will be able to do. So this state can actually be achieved, okay, even through bhakti. Okay. So this bhakti will lead you to this jnana. Okay, that is why. So in so many passages, even you will find in Bhagavad Gita. In fact, so this is something which has been beautifully stated, even by. There is an interesting verse which I am reminded of. So all this samsriti will be thrown off, knocked off by you. That is what he is saying. And in fact, Appaya Dikshita, there is a verse even in Bhagavad Gita. Antakale chamameva smaran muktva kalebaram yah prayadityajan deham sayati paramangatim. He says, Antakale chamameva smaran muktva kalebaram. But Antakale Smarana, how will you get? See, when the buddhi is under control, everything is under Swadhina, you don't get. So this is what has been beautifully stated by Appaya Dikshita in one verse. I'll just share that with you. So he is saying, Sarvam Ksheptum Prabhavati. You repeat. Sarvam Ksheptum Prabhavati. Sarvam Ksheptum Prabhavati Janaha.
Sarvam Ksheptum Prabhavati Janaha. Sarvam Ksheptum Prabhavati Janaha.
Samsriti Praptamagaha.
Samsriti Praptamagaha.
Samsriti Praptamagaha. Chetashvasa prasana samaye. Chetashvasa prasana samaye. Chetashvasa prasana samaye. Tvatpadabje nidhaya. Tvatpadabje nidhaya. Tvatpadabje nidhaya. Tasmin kale yadi mama manaha.
Tasmin kale yadi mama manaha.
Tasmin kale yadi mama manaha. Natha doshatrayartam. Natha doshatrayartam. Natha doshatrayartam. Prajnahinam purahara bhavet. Prajnahinam purahara bhavet. Prajnahinam purahara bhavet. Tatkatham me ghateta. Tatkatham me ghateta. Tatkatham me ghateta. It's a very interesting verse. So here, we say through this jnana, here, there, see, it is this continuous bhakti which will lead you to that kind of a prajna and ananda. So therefore, he says, Sarvam Ksheptum Prabhavati Janaha. So, true. It is true. So it is stated in Shruti. It is Ksheptum Prabhavati means he can knock off all this samsara. Samsriti Praptam Agaha. Samsriti Praptam Agaha. So the papas that he has accrued. So maybe all gone. Okay. Samsriti Praptam Agaha. Yeben Chetashvasa prasana samaye. Tvatpadabje nidhaya. If at the last moment my mind is fixed to you. So it is true. Shastra is true. But tasmin kale yadi mama manaha natha doshatrayartam. Doshatrayartam means kama, krodha, lobha. We have to understand. So as the age increases, kama increases. As the age increases, krodha increases. So they have to decrease. Lobha increases. Tasmin kale yadi mama manaha natha doshatrayartam. Natha doshatrayartam. Doshatrayena piditam. That is what? Doshatrayartham illa. Artam. Natha doshatrayartam. Prajnahinam purahara bhaved. So it will completely be out of my control. Purahara bhavet. Tat katham me ghateta. How can I get? So the idea is, so why did I want to convey this? I wanted to convey whether you choose that marga or you choose this marga, raga dvesha has to be gone. But for that, we have to repeatedly keep reading these things. It is the only solution. So that vasana has to go and this vasana has to take over. So then all those things will be gone. Sahasa dalayati. You don't need to do anything. So all that you need to do is only this. So they will be taken care. Om. Read. Vishwam neti pramanad vigalita jagada karabhanasya jedvai pītvā yadvakphalambhaha tejatika sutarām tatphalam saurabhādyam samyak satchidghanaikamrita sukhakavala swadapurno hridasau nyātvā nisāramevam जगदखिलमिदं स्वप्रभः शान्तचित्तः। ॐ सर्वेऽपि सुखिनः सन्तु, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ